Traces of my lipstick, 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 lipstick.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about this lippy that I'm rocking and others. This lipstick is made by Von Cosmetics and I was asked to try their line, which includes 4 very bold lipstick colors. I take that back. I'll say 2 of them are very bold. The others are very much kind of like nudie and I don't know, we'll get into it. But yeah, there are 4 lipstick in the line and I tried each and every one of them in this video. So I'm going to share that with you guys. It came very nicely packaged. It comes like so, kind of like elegant, I would say, with the black, you know, the black gift bag. And the lipstick packaging, I also like the way that was packaged. On each of the barrels it says Von, and that's the brand, obviously, Von Cosmetics, and that's what it looks like. Alright, so we're going to start with the first one that I'm wearing, you guys. This one is called J Blue. It's a blue with a hint of green in there. The guy looked at me and asked me if it was a green lippy, but I know it's supposed to be blue. So it's blue with a tinge of green in there. You can definitely see it. I really like the formula. It's very, very smooth. It goes on very nicely. I like the color payoff. It wears very well. It's not blotchy or anything like that. So I definitely like that about this. Again, that's J Blue. Second one we're going to talk about is Bougainvillea. I hope I did not butcher that name too badly. But Bougainvillea looks like so, you guys. It's a very nice, kind of like nudie pink, earthy pink type color. That's my description of it. Really, really pretty color. I really like this. It's very subtle. I feel like you can wear it with a lot of things and it's not too out there, not too far-fetched. I can definitely wear this to the office, no issue. The third color is called Rose Brown, which to me looks very similar to Bougainvillea. Again, it's a very, it's a pink color, kind of like earthy, very pretty color. Again, the formula is very nice. It glides on very smoothly. It's very moisturizing, very nice. I like it. And the last color, you guys, I'm a little bit impartial because this happens to be my favorite color, but yeah, really like this color. It reminds me of my MAC lippy, which I think is called Heroin. I'm not really sure, but it's a purple color. You guys know I love purple, and this is a purple lippy. You can never go wrong with this. I really like it. Again, the formula is nice. It goes on very nicely. So overall impressions of Von Cosmetics, I really like the line. I love the formulas. I think they apply very nicely. They wear well. I believe they're $12 a pop, which is not bad for good quality lipsticks. Given the color payoff and such that we get with these particular lipsticks, I think it's a very good price. Definitely a nice line. I would definitely encourage you guys to check it out. I'm here for the sister-owned businesses. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but this company is actually owned by a young sister. Any opportunity that there is to support a sister, I am here for it. Again, I will have all the details down below. Again, it's VonCosmetics.com. That is it for my review on Von Cosmetics. Definitely check them out. I will have the links down below. Von Cosmetics, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!